In this video, I am going to be showing you a niche that nobody has even tapped. While making my research, there are only 3 channels that have started this content. Everybody talks about how you can merge football clips and put some motivational talk under and also give an highlight from a particular year or from a particular season or from a particular club or from a particular country. How about you start creating content around you talking about stories of these players? I can tell you that there are a lot of football players in the world currently that nobody really know about their story. What do they go through before they become a football player? And how can you relate this story with people or with your audience and start making money from there and also tap into the global audience? So you need to understand something that based on my research, there are only 3 channels that are creating this type of content. This is number 1. This person is earning average $2,000 to $6,000 per month. And then this person is also averaging $3,000 to $9,000 per month. And this account is also averaging $2,000 to $6,000 per month. So this is to tell you that this niche that I'm about to show to you, they actually work. And the truth is, there are a lot of football players that you can talk about their story. And how do I know that this niche is very, very low? It's because if you check the overall score here, you'll see that the overall score here is just 28%, which simply means it is not saturated. A lot of people are not shifting attention into this niche. And this can be a very big opportunity for you before the whole niche gets saturated. If you also look at the competition, it is very, very low. So this is what I'm going to be showing you and explaining to you in this video. I am going to be explaining 2 steps that you can use in telling their story. So let's get into it. So the first website you want to go to generate your story is ChatGPT. And you can type like this. This starts top football players in the world. So you can start your own channel with stories of people that are long gone, or you can start your story with people that are currently in the game and that they are still playing game and graduate over time to tell a story about how some of these people have died. What happened to them during their career? How did they become so successful? What ended their career? So once ChatGPT has given you their names, so what you want to do is you want to copy the name and copy it down to CapCut. You come to create with AI. So you click on that and it's going to show you this interface. So let's say, for example, I want to use this good guy as the voiceover and I want to generate a 10-minute video. If you're now choosing your virtual style, you can choose based on your own preference. If the story you're about to talk about, if the person is still very, very much alive, you can use realistic image. But if the person is no more alive, you can use black and white. So you paste the name of the person, generate story around this football, quote the football player like this. So once you click on generate, it's going to generate this for you. And if you look at the minutes, this is just 7 minutes for the story. So this is the simplest way you can start this type of content. So this is just 7 minutes, 49 seconds. And if you feel like you don't like any, you can go through it. And if you feel like you don't like anything here, you can just delete it. So your video is just going to start from, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the, you understand? So just go through them. If you see anything you don't like, then you can just delete them from there. And if you feel like, oh, this is a perfect storyline for everything you want to generate, then you just watch your video.
And welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the story of one of modern football's most enigmatic and electrifying talents, Ousmane Dembele. Is he anything like it? This unique talent wasn't just a party trick, it was his superpower.
So just play the video and vibe along with it. Just export it. It's blur like this because you've not exported it. So once you have exported it, if you're about to export, just come here to recommendation, the quality, you rename the file name, then you also increase this one to 4K so that you can get a very high resolution. Then for the frame rate also, you can just use 60 FPS so that you can get a very clean, like a very, very clean export. And once you're done with that, once your video is done downloading, all you have to do is just post and start getting your views. So this is the simplest way you can do it. But if you want to go the other way around and you want to do it in a heavy, more professional way, you can go around with it like this. First, you come to ChatGPT, then you write this prompt. Write a story about Dembele, then you tell ChatGPT that before you write, give me a table of contents about his history, career, and everything that will interest me about him. And you click on PAM. And what that is going to do is then ChatGPT is going to generate and give you everything that you need to know about him. You know, I put in this prompt that it should give me table of contents. So this is the table of contents. And this is how you can now start writing or generating scripts for whatever you want to do. So first, you want to talk about the early life. So tell ChatGPT starts from 1 and wait till I tell you to go to 2 and next. So this actual prompt here simply means you are telling ChatGPT to start writing from 1, then it should wait for you to talk about number 2, then number 3, then number 4, number 5, and on like that. So ChatGPT is definitely going to generate all everything. And this is just the intro. And if you look through this intro, this should be around 1 minute or 1 minute, 30 minutes, 30 seconds if you start generating your video. And then the next one is section 2. Then you tell ChatGPT yes. So the reason why it is very important to generate your stories in sections is because you want ChatGPT to organize the story you are generating so that anybody that is watching your content will be able to resonate well with that content and will not have to swipe away in that particular story. And this is what you can also apply to all other football player you want to talk about. So you tell ChatGPT to generate step 3, then step 4, step 5, then till the story is done. So once you are done generating all of these steps from 1 to 13, the next thing you want to do is obviously you want to generate your audio. And how do you generate your audio? There is a free tool I use. So this is where I generate most free voiceovers. So once you have done your registration and you want to come to create new video, and then it's going to show you this interface. So you can edit all of your video here, or you edit on other websites that I'm going to show you. But this website is free and you can upgrade. Maybe you want more features. But to me, I use this website just to generate my voiceover. So how do you get your voiceover? It's very simple. Just come to record and create. Then you scroll down, then you say text to speech. Then you come and click on this interface. Then once you click on that, you are going to see this pop-up. You are going to see this pop-up. Then you click on text to speech. Then you can now listening to different types of language or voice you want to use. So there are a lot and a lot of voice here, like a lot of them. So let's just go for this guy here. So for the purpose of this video and not to make the video very long, I am going to be going with this first story, which is the early life and background history. So I'm going to go with that. You copy that, then you come here, then you paste your script, and then you click on save, and automatically, don't forget, you have to add your voice, and then you can also increase the pitch, either extreme high, low, and anyhow you want it. So you can just freestyle along that, and then you can also edit how fast the pace can be. You want it very fast or you want it very slow. So just the introduction alone, the background history alone, is around 2 minutes 14 seconds. You know what that means for your video? So imagine you are now generating all of this story in one single video, and you want to generate it in such a way that it will catch your audience interest. You can be generating like 1 hour or 2 hours just by following this step by step. And then once you are done with that, this is what I'm going to be using, and let's play it.
Ousmane Dembélé was born on May 15th, 1997, in Vernon, a small town in the Normandy region of France. His full name is Massar Ousmane Dembélé.
So you see, the voiceover really makes sense. Everything is making sense already. So how do you get clips to add to your video? There are two ways you can do that. You can either use the popular viral clips that is trending currently on how you can generate football content, or you use my own, which is also divided into two. You can either use picture to narrate your story, or you use video, just natural video that is not even related to football, but your thumbnail is going to say football. You understand what I'm trying to say? So come to Meta AI after generating your image prompts, and you can now start pasting those prompts on Meta AI. And one by one, you are going to be generating video, something like this. One good thing about Meta AI is that you can extend your video up to 27 seconds. Yes, it's possible. So that is how you generate your video or image clips that you want to use for the video. And all you have to do is just take all of the clips and go to your editing software and combine the two together. So just import the pictures and start adding them layer by layer according to how the story sounds. That is how you can start generating your own clips and start telling story like these people, and start telling footballer story like these people. And when it comes to thumbnail, you can steal them. You can steal their idea when it comes to thumbnail, so that you can grab your audience. So if you can do this and stay consistent for like 3 months, within 2 months, you should be able to get your accounts or YouTube channel monetized just by telling people story or footballer stories. And don't forget, there are a lot of footballer story that you can talk about. There are a lot of them. And ChatGPT can now make all of these things very, 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 very simple. So, do you find value in this video? If yes, drop a comment below. Send this video to a friend or a brother that you know that is going to need this tutorial video. And if you have any question regarding this video, or if you don't understand it and you want a personal one-on-one tutorial classes, I am going to see you in my next video. And trust me, you don't want to miss my next video, because I am coming back with a new content idea you can start creating. And in that way, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.